Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at AMC and we're going to be looking at APE. And I have an interesting theory showing how AMC and APE are now running inverse of each other. I also explained why AMC is down, seeing downside, and where we're at on the bars pattern, letting everybody know what is up. Remember, when there is max fear, that means you need to buy. When there's max FUD, that means you need to buy. Not financial advice, but when others are greedy, be fearful. When others are fearful, be greedy. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at AMC and APE. So guys, I was looking at why AMC is down. I did just release a video explaining that the S&P 500 does have something to do with it, but I think there is a more sinister thing behind this. Guys, if we haven't noticed, okay, let's look at the past couple days for AMC. It's been in a downtrend for the past, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 2 weeks. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, about a week, 2 weeks. As you guys can see, APE has been in a uptrend for the past couple of days. As you guys can see, the bottom is down here, clear uptrend. If I zoom out, you guys can see this is a clear uptrend that APE has been in, and AMC is in a clear downtrend. What is going on? Well, I think that they are trying to close the gap on the arbitrage trade. Now, does this change anything? No, but I think this is more complicated than even anyone could imagine, because I think there's actually two hedge funds or multiple hedge funds, and this happens all the time, fighting against each other. I think there's actually hedge funds, just like apes are fighting with each other right now, saying they want the reverse split and saying they don't want the reverse split. There are hedge funds doing the same thing right now that are for the reverse split and don't want the reverse split. If you look at AMC, there's been buy orders coming in that's been supporting AMC and holding AMC, propping it up. And this is big money, okay? Right now, the whole market is down and APE is up. This is big money moving these stocks, okay? This could be some type of repositioning or them battling each other, but for whatever the reason is, it is very, very evident right now that APE is moving inverse of AMC, as crazy as it sounds. But look, clear downtrend for the past couple of days, clear uptrend for the past couple of days. And this has been all about the time since we've been hearing about the conversion. Okay, so this is a possibility of the conversion trade. They're trying to close the conversion arbitrage trade, because you will make profit if all of that does go through and all of the reverse split, which my personal opinion is I don't want any of that to go through. I just want the MOAS to happen. And I've already stated my opinion on that, guys. So you can check out my other videos for my opinion on that. But they are closing the arbitrage trade, okay? So that is what I'm looking at for AMC and APE, on why AMC is down and APE is up. They are running inverse of each other, and they have been for quite some time now. Also, AMC is battling headwinds because the SPY, S&P 500, NASDAQ are seeing major downside. As you guys can see, major downside for the S&P 500. It's been pulling back lately pretty hard. It's getting a little bit of bounce, but still seeing downside. I have the Hakanashi style candles on. As you guys can see, it's still in a down trend. The NASDAQ as well, especially NASDAQ even a little bit more than the SPY. Tech heavy sectors are seeing blood for sure. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC APE, the overall market. I do think that AMC and APE now run inverse of each other, trying to close the arbitrage trade. There's clear proof right now. AMC down 4% on the day, APE up 2% on the day, especially on the day when the markets are down. This is big money moving these stocks. I think this thing is deeper than we can all imagine. Okay, I think that we have hedge funds on multiple sides fighting each other, repositioning, and that is what's causing this new movement of APE running inverse of AMC. Let's go ahead and quickly look at the data and then wrap up the video. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on with that, let you know what was going on APE. Also, the technical analysis for APE. APE is still following the technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are in this cup and handle pattern. So as long as there is no conversion, I would expect this to continue to play out. And as you guys can see, APE is setting up for a nice move to the upside. So as long as APE's still around and it doesn't get pushed into the conversion to get converted to AMC, I do think APE is setting up for a nice pop to the upside. Right here is the cup, right here is the handle. Your breakout point would be this $1.70 region. So once it gets above $1.70, retest that, pop to the upside, and I expect it to move to $2, $2.50, and maybe even higher off of this breakout alone. As you guys can see, Bollinger Bands constricting very, very tight, telling us volatility is coming. Same thing for AMC. Bollinger Bands getting very, very tight, constricting, letting us know that volatility is coming. As you guys can see, it's getting absolutely ridiculous how tight the Bollinger Bands are on the weekly time frame. It is ridiculous right now, telling us a massive move is coming for AMC. Bars pattern is still tracking for AMC. As you guys can see, it's still calling for a little bit more downside before we touch the golden 618 pocket and launch off into the stratosphere, breaking out of this overall downsloping resistance of the falling wedge, the macro falling wedge, the big falling wedge, the 2-year downtrend that we have been in. So that is what I'm looking at for AMC. The technical data, again, they only have 2,000 shares available to borrow for AMC as of right now. Making it very hard to put short pressure on because cost to borrow is steadily sitting at 200%. Very high cost to borrow, perfect for a short squeeze. Short interest at 26.89%, perfect for a short squeeze. Extremely high short interest. Stock squeeze off as little as 8 to 10% short interest. So the short squeeze that we can see from this could be absolutely massive. FTDs racking up like no other stock, 12 million FTDs, more FTDs than the run up before. Again, we could see a massive movement from AMC stock and still on the threshold security list as of the 24th. Let's go ahead and just confirm that real quick. 0424, and then you want to type 2023 and make sure we are good to go and see if we can load that up. If not, we can check on Tuesday, but it's still on the threshold security last as I have checked. So we will confirm that when the data is available. But guys, that is what I have for you. This is what we are looking at. I just wanted to get this video out there, letting you guys know that APE is running inverse of AMC. It might not be noticeable on every day, but it is definitely now running inverse of AMC, and it is getting pretty noticeable. I think they're trying to close the arbitrage trade, and it was also pulling AMC down. So that's why you're seeing downside on AMC. And also the S&P 500 is pulling AMC down as well, and that is why AMC is seeing pullback. But as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's way out extended over the bands, getting in the oversold territory, telling us that a bounce is coming here soon for AMC. Again, RSI in the oversold territory, way outside of the band. So this move is way overextended, telling us that we are going to get a nice snap back to the upside here in the near future for AMC. But guys, that's all I have for you. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you want more updates, real-time updates, you can check me out on Discord. I talk about stocks, my trades, AMC, different stocks, crypto all day long. So if you find any of that interesting, go ahead and check that out in the links in the comment section below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And I truly appreciate each and every one of you that watches the end of the video. It truly means a lot to me. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.